Hi there, welcome back to my another random English practice video. How have you been? I hope that you are passing very good time with your English speaking partner, as well as I'm over the moon by the grace of Almighty Allah. In this video, I would like to share with you how you can start your English journey. I have seen many students, they don't know how we can start our English journey. Now I will explain this matter. First of all, I will suggest you don't need long course to speak in English confidently. Don't worry about wrong grammar. If you want to learn English, you can practice English every single day. You don't need long course to be a fluent speaker. As far as I know, English is not a subject, just it is a language. If you want to improve your English journey, first of all, you practice English. You make English video anywhere, any circumstance. If you practice English every day, I hope that you can improve your fluency. Alongside, I want to share with you, listen to shortcut conversation every single day. If you think that I will be public speaker, I will be a good speaker in my village, I will suggest you every day you try to listen podcast, English series, English cartoon, English TV shows. If you listen English video every single day, I hope that one day you can make English video. Someday you can speak in English confidently. Most of the students, they always translate all things in their native language. For that, they can't improve their speaking skills. Alongside, I will suggest you don't memorize anything without understanding. If you understand everything, you can improve your fluency, you can improve your speaking skills. That's why I will suggest you don't memorize anything without understanding. If you ask me, brother, if I don't understand anything, how we can practice English, I will tell you, just you memorize vocabulary, simple vocabulary you can memorize. If you memorize some simple vocabulary, you can make English video, you can describe anything, you can speak with your friends. That's why you have to memorize some basic vocabulary. I hope that it will help you to speak in English confidently. It will help you to make English video without any hesitation. Alongside, I will suggest you don't worry about wrong grammar. If you make video in your public place, if you speak with your siblings, if you speak with your native friends, you don't worry about making mistakes. You don't worry about bad grammar. I mean, you don't worry about wrong grammar. If you make mistakes every single day, it doesn't matter. If you make 100 mistakes today, it doesn't matter. If you make 1,000 mistakes tomorrow, it doesn't matter. Day after tomorrow, you can speak, you can learn more sentences, you can make English video without anyone, without any hesitation. That's why every day you continue your English journey, you continue your English practice. I hope that you can improve your fluency. As far as I know, fluency doesn't come without practice. Fluency is not perfection. Fluency is a habit. If you want to learn English, you can follow this way. If you want to start your English journey like this way, you can start. I hope that success will come definitely. Keep practicing, keep making English video. See you another day.